Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome too. So today we're gonna do a full get ready with me. We're doing hair, we're doing makeup. So if you're into hair and makeup, stay in tune. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Much later.
So I got this unit from a local beauty supply store. This is the 13 by 6 glueless ready to wear pre-plucked unit. As you can see by the hairline, I have not had to do too much and I'm just grateful for that. I love when the hairline comes in just right. So after clipping my hair back, I'm gonna go in with this lace melting spray. Now this spray has been so life-changing for me and it's helped me elevate. If you yourself, you're looking for ways to make sure that your lace is fully melted and your hairline is smooth and just beautiful, opt for this before you use the Gods to Be spray. Nothing against the Gods to Be spray. I think both of these are just serving their purposes differently and it's just taking this whole look to another level.
3 hours later. 3 hours later.
So after brushing through the hairline, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation around the hairline and the edges of this wig. And that is because of the little white cast that's around the hairline. And I think what I need to do is invest into a lace tint, because you know the foundation and the powder that I put inside the wig before I put it on my head is obviously not doing it. And the last thing I will do to this wig is take out a few small pieces for some sideburns. Today I've decided I'm not gonna do any edges, although they would look cute, but not today. I'm trying to give scalp, if you know what I mean. If you've made it far into this video, please leave a comment below. For the makeup look, I'm going to start off by hydrating my skin, and I'm going in with this lightweight moisturizer. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of primer. I'm going in with my Makiaje Poreless filter, and this has been my holy grail product for the past 3 years. It always gives me the smoothest base finish. And if you yourself you have a holy grail product, please tag it below in the comments. Let us girls put each other onto the best stuff out here. So fast forward, here I've laid down my concealer, my contour, and right now I'm just touching up my eyebrows, putting in a little bit more color. So right now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation just in the areas where I need it. I don't like to do too much when it comes to foundation. I'm gonna spray down this base using my setting spray, and I'm doing this to make it easier for me to blend. And I'm gonna start off by blending out that foundation first. So I just got done blending out my bronzer and contour. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of blush while I let the concealer sit just a little bit longer for the maximum coverage and the perfect finish. last but not least, I'm gonna start blending out this concealer on my forehead, under eyes, and I will set all of these cream products with a powder. For this baking process, I will be baking under the eyes, a little bit on the nose for some highlight, on the chin, under the cheekbone, and a little bit on the forehead to tie everything in together. So while this powder sits under my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and curve out my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I will be doing something simple and natural using my same contour shade and some other white eyeshadow. back to the eye makeup look. To finish this off, I will be doing a small liner, and I'm gonna add a small lash strip. So this lip combo consists of a black gel liner and then my Fenty contour stick. So to set this into place, I'm dousing my face in the Milani Make It Last Natural Finish Setting Spray. Alright, that's it for the makeup look. If you've stayed till the end, go ahead and hit a like button, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you want me to post a detailed base routine for acne-prone skin.